Where's the happy face? All good to go? Eh? It's pretty funky, yeah.
Some pandas.
Some what? Oh, some pandas. Oh yeah, we're going to look at the teddy bears if you want. You having a look in there, are you? This is a nice little house. Huh? What, sweetie?
There's toys in it.
Yeah. You can't get them out though, can you?
No.
That's what we want, look. Oh,
I've got this stuff at home. I haven't got this stuff.
it's a nice little lamp, isn't it?
Yeah,
I like these as well. Because you could display your little pictures.
and you
your
can
art and
like
stuff.
go like that so you can see what you're doing.
It smells lovely in here. Is it what?
There's a kitten. Oh, chocolate. It looks like Mark.
Yeah.
What's in here? Yeah.
Oh, that's good for Daddy to put all his little models and stuff in, isn't it?
And then there's some blocks.
Comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is mine. This.
Watch your head, okay? This is a nice kitchen, isn't it? Do you think it's as nice? Oh, they're a bit tall for you. Can you manage to get on there?
I want one. It's got a few. Look outside.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Lovely. Are these real lemons? No,
Yes, they
they're
are.
fake. Yeah. Well,
I don't know what this is.
what? We're having a look. Oh, we need to get you one with a hole in so you can let Mog sleep in it. Don't we? To go in your room. Should we try and find one with a hole in it? How it's meant to go.
Can we just have them?
They're nice.
Oh, it's cooking things in it. So guys, we're gonna put this in here and we're gonna sew it some more.
Just pretend though, because it doesn't work. Yeah, so the needle goes down. Down to yeah. Oh, is that what you wanted? Has he got like Velcro hands? Oh, there you go. You can get one from here. Oh, is that what you wanted? Yeah. Well, there you go. Mint. You gonna get him? Yeah. Yay!